Hello, this is my first official video of the school year. We are launching Unit 1 in math, and Unit 1 will deal with arrays, factors, multiples, prime and composite. So I'm going to kind of walk you through some multiplication combinations. You may know multiplication combinations as multiplication facts. So your child should have started learning these in third grade, may have even started doing it sooner than that. But I'm just going to kind of take you through some strategies that you can do at home and that we're going to be practicing in class to prepare them for knowing their facts. So if you notice this first set, I've got 2s, 4s, and 8s, and this is kind of a double pattern strategy that the kids can use. So for example, if they know what 2 times 2 is, which most do, they're going to know that it's 4, and they're going to know that 2s and 4s have a double pattern. So if students know that 2 times 2 is 4, all they have to do is double that 4 product to find out what 2 times 4 would be. And then if you know that 2 times 4 is 8, again, you would double the 8 to get what 2 times 8 would be. So 2s, 4s, and 8s work really well together using kind of that double strategy. Same thing goes with your 3 and your 6s. If kids are really good at their 3s, then they should be able to know their 6s because, again, they can use the double pattern. So if they know what 3 times 3 is, which is 9, if I ask, well, what is 3 times 6? They should know, oh, there's that double pattern. I know that not 18 would be the double of 9. Working with 9s. A lot of kids kind of have difficulties with 9s. If kids are really good at their 3s, then that should help them with their 9s because in this case, they use more of a triple pattern. So again, if kids know that 3 times 3 is 9, they know that they can triple that 9, and that would give them what 3 times 9 would be. In this case, it would be 27. So a triple type pattern for your 3s and 9s. Other combinations that your children can use when they're trying to figure out their facts and using patterns would be, for example, if they were trying to figure out what 4 times 6 is. And maybe they forgot to use their 2, their 6 times 2 to kind of help them figure out their 4 times 6, that double pattern. But they're really good at their 5s. So they might say, okay, well fine, 4 times 5 is 20. I'm really close to 4 times 6 because I know that 4 times 5 is 20. And I'm missing just one array. I'm missing a 4 by 1. So all I need to do is go and add a 4 because 4 times 1 is 4. So therefore 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay, so they used their 5s to help them get to their 6s by getting as close as they can. Another example could be 7 times 12 and a 7 times 11. So if the whole goal is to get to 7 times 12, and they're not great at their 12s, but they're really good at their 11s, then they could say, okay, I know that 7 times 11 is 77. I'm almost there. I'm only missing a 7 by 1. And I know that 7 times 1 is 7, so I just need to add that to my product of 77, and 77 plus 7 is 84. So students would use different combinations to help them figure out their goal. So we're going to be doing these a lot in class, practicing, doing a lot of games, and having a lot of hands-on activities. But again, and I know that flashcards is what we like to use a lot. That's how we grew up using it, and that's totally fine. That's a strategy. But again, practice these: 2 4s, 8s, the double; 3 6, the double; 3 9s, your triple. And then using other combinations to kind of help you get there. I hope this has been very helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.